In this video we will learn how to draw and edit roofs and chimneys. We can create easily any type of 3D roof, or even merge different types. We can insert the parameters of the roof such as the inclination, the thickness and the extension length. We can also select the desired hatch from the library. Besides, we can select the 2D, 3D color and material of the roof. After giving the basic parameters of the roof, we can define the outline of the roof through a polyliner points. For now, let's give the edge points of the outline. We can easily edit the roof through the grips. By double-clicking on the roof, we can make any modifications in the dialog box. We can move, add or delete a point along the outline. We can also make changes from Property panel. After creating a roof, we can insert dormer windows. First, we define the window's parameters. Then we select the roof outline segment on which we want to place the dormer window, and we define its first and second point. And finally, we insert the window label. We can also insert easily a chimney on the roof. We just select the type of the chimney, rectangular or circular, its parameters, and finally we place it at the desired position.